Thank you so much for scheduling your evaluation with us. Now that you've done that, we want to let you know what to expect from this point on. Our office will be reaching out to you soon to schedule an appointment at your convenience. Once that's done, you're going to get an email follow-up that's going to confirm the appointment. It's also going to have the name and picture of the evaluator that will be at your house, so you'll know exactly who to expect on the day of the inspection. So to complete this inspection, we're going to have to evaluate and inspect the entire interior of your home, the exterior of your home as well. So while we're going through the interior of your home, we are going to have to open every door and enter every room, and that includes the closets. Don't worry that your house isn't clean. We've seen it all, been there. Judgment-free zone. You don't want to see my house either. We will have to open those doors. We will have to look in the closets, in the bedrooms, in the bathrooms to be able to check door operation and take elevation readings. So this is the Technidia zip level. This is the electronic level used by most people in the industry, both foundation repair companies and engineers. It's accurate to about 1/10 of an inch, and we use it to measure the entire home to get a good, accurate, true picture of the contour and elevations throughout the home so that we can determine if one area or two might be off a little more than it should. So after we've done the inspection, we've put all that together, the evaluator is actually going to draw up a diagram with all of your elevations and many of the notes about your house on it. We're going to send you that whether your house needs work or not. Because even if your house doesn't need work, this information is fantastic information for you to keep in case you think there may be a problem later. So if your house does need work, we're going to sit down and we're going to discuss that with you. We're going to talk about the options, what needs to be done now, what could possibly be done later. And then we're going to talk about the cost of the project and any payment options that you might want to take advantage of. I promise we're going to do everything we can to make this process as easily and painless for you as we possibly can. So depending on the size and complexity of your home, the evaluation should take no more than an hour to maybe an hour and a half from start to finish.